Now let us start the next topic, that is lines and angles. Now you are already familiar with some concepts like line segment, ray and an angle. Now let us revise once again all these concepts. First, what is a line? The set of all the points in a plane in a straight way gives the idea of a line. The line is AB and a line can be extended on both sides and it has no endpoints on either side of the line. So here the line is represented by 2 points, any 2 points on the line. So this line can be represented as line AB or line BA. Now what is a ray? A ray is a portion of the line, a part of the line. For example, now this OA is the part of the line and this can be represented as OA. Here O is the end point of the line, end point of the ray, and this ray can be extended towards the point A. So a ray has only one end point and it can be extended on only one direction. Now line segment. What is a line segment? So this is also a part of the line and which has 2 endpoints and it cannot be extended on either side and it has 2 endpoints on either side. A line segment can be represented as PQ line segment or QP line segment. Now let us define an angle. So what is an angle? The union of 2 rays with a common endpoint is called an angle. Here the angle AOB. Here OA is a ray and OB is also another ray, and these 2 rays have the same endpoint, that is O. So the union of 2 rays with the common endpoint is called the angle, and this angle is represented as angle AOB or angle BOA, or simply we can write angle O. Here O is the vertex and the rays OA and OB. So these rays OA and OB are the arms or sides of the angle. Now types of angles. First, zero angle. An angle whose measure is 0 degrees is called zero angle. So there is no angle formed. So the angle whose measure is 0 degrees is called zero angle. And the second angle, right angle. An angle whose measure is 90 degrees is called a right angle. So this angle is right angle 90 degrees, and the next straight angle. An angle whose measure is 180 degrees is called straight angle. So this is straight line, straight angle is formed here. AOB is straight line. So angle AOB is straight angle, that is 180 degrees, and the complete angle An angle whose measure is 360 degrees is called complete angle. So one rotation is completed here, 360 degrees. Now fifth one. Now the next one is acute angle. An angle whose measure is more than 90 degrees, more than 0 degrees and less than 90 degrees is called an acute angle. So the acute angle lies between 90 degrees, lies between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. Now this is an acute angle, 30 degrees. So the acute angle lies between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. Now the sixth one, obtuse angle. An angle whose measure is more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees is called an obtuse angle. So it lies between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. No, 120 degrees. So it is an obtuse angle. Now the seventh one, reflex angle. An angle whose measure is more than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees is called a reflex angle. Now this is a reflex angle, for example 270 degrees. Now these are the different types of angles. The first angle, zero angle, whose measure is 0 degrees, and the next one is right angle, whose measure is 90 degrees, and third one is straight angle, whose measure is 180 degrees, and the next complete angle, whose measure is 360 degrees, and the acute angle lies between 0 degrees and 90 degrees, and the obtuse angle lies between 90 degrees and 180 degrees, and the reflex angle lies between 180 degrees and 360 degrees.